Hey, what's going on YouTube? Yeah, these my dual batteries. Finna get ready to install that 240 amp Mechman Alternator on here. Before I do that, I want to get into the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 3/8 ratchet. You're gonna put it right here in this little I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little square on a tensioner. You want to put that in there, turn that counterclockwise, and then you got to lift the belt up and take that off of that. That's to take the tension off. And then you're gonna need a 13 millimeter socket right here to remove those two bolts. And then you have another 10 millimeter bolt in the back. You want to remove that. And then you have I believe that's a 13 millimeter socket as well. I mean, not a socket, a nut. You want to remove that, but I wouldn't use no socket because you don't want to risk breaking this, and plus that's probably in the way. So you want to use probably an open face wrench to get that out. That's what I'm gonna use. And yeah, that's about it. It's basic. But before you do that, you want to disconnect the batteries. I will tell you what you need. I'm pretty sure for the factory you need like a 8 millimeter to take the nut off. But mine's is a little bit bigger than that, so it don't do no good telling y'all this size because this been altered as aftermarket. So yeah, that's about it. And let me get into installing this, and then I'll update you guys later. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with the final installation of the 240 amp Mechman Alternator. Everything turned out smooth. Got everything installed, nice and loomed up. Yep, nice and loomed up, ready to go. Big 3, everything done. So about the belt, it turns out that my factory belt works perfect for it. I know that Mechman said that it's not 100% sure that you may need to get a shorter belt if your tensioner is out of range, but turns out mine stayed in range and it works perfect. So if you have a 1996 Chevy Tahoe, your factory belt should work for your aftermarket Mechman Alternator. You know, because it worked for me, so it should work for you. Yeah, everything's nicely installed, loomed up, wire loomed up. Yep. Keep this video short. Nice and pretty. Yep, let me start it up for you guys. Everything perfect.
Disarmed.
I checked the voltage with a meter. Everything is where it needs to be at. Working perfectly, so yep. Turn it off.
System armed.
Yep. So don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And be safe out there, YouTube, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.